second graders. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about rhyming and rhyming words. And you're going to get to make your own silly poem. So just a quick reminder that rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. They may not be spelled the same, but the sound is the same. And here's an example: meet, beat, treat. Now, these are spelled differently, some of them, but they all have the eat at the end of the word. So these would be rhyming words: meet, beat, treat. So, what I want you to do is make your own silly poem. Now, it has to make a little bit of sense, but Miss Winters wrote a silly poem for you so that you would get the idea of what I mean. So, here's my silly poem. I was with my friend Pete. I gave him a treat. It was super sweet, but there was too much heat. It melted, said Pete. Do you see the words that Miss Winters has in red here? Pete, treat, sweet, heat, Pete again. All of these words have the eat sound at the end of the word. Now, what I want you to think about is when you write a poem, the end line is the end word in a line is the word that should rhyme. So you can see Pete, treat, sweet, heat, Pete again. So what I want you to do is you're going to make your very own silly poem. So it has to make sense now. So it can be silly just like Miss Winters, but it has to make sense. It can't just be any old word put together, but it can be funny. And then I want you to upload it into the Seesaw activity. Now, I'm going to let you work on this today, Monday, and on Tuesday. So you have a few days. Maybe you could work on writing it today, and then maybe make sure you upload it tomorrow on Tuesday. I think it'll be fun. Remember, it needs to rhyme. It needs to make sense, but it can indeed be a silly poem. Have fun, second grade.